Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Aries. Aries people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Aries people, in this reading I'm going to see your partner's energies towards you, your energies towards your partner, your mutual energy and the future potential of this relationship. Okay. So let's start the reading for Aries. So we have the Magician. Wow, Ace of Cups. Three of Cups. These are your partner's energies towards you, Aries. Now let's see what are your energies towards your partner. So we have Ten of Pentacles, Five of Cups, and the High Priestess. Okay. Now let's see what is going to be the mutual energy is the Emperor, and the future potential is Nine of Pentacles. Okay. Okay. So Aries people, I feel that some of you could be dealing with water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, with this Three of Cups, Ace of Cups, Five of Cups. Okay, and with this High Priestess we have Pisces. So some of you could be dealing with Pisces as well. Okay, we have Earth sign in this reading, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, with this Nine of Pentacles, Ten of Pentacles, and some of you could be dealing with another Aries sign. Okay, so let's start the reading. Let's see what are your partner's energies towards you, Aries. Okay, so we have Three of Cups, the Magician, and Ace of Cups. Aries, your partner feels about you that you have a lot of emotions for them. Okay, you have compassion for them, you have affection towards them, you love them, and you are genuinely wants to start something new in this relationship with this Ace of Cups. Okay, yes. Plus Aries, your person also feels about you that you are the one who has the abilities and capabilities to make this relationship a successful relationship. Okay, you have all the skills, you have all the knowledge, you have all the techniques, or you know all the texts to 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 be in this relationship and to make this relationship a happy relationship. Okay, you are very smart, you are very clever, you are very smart. Oh, smart as in you are very charming. Okay, you have a basically good personality. That's how your person sees you, Aries. And plus they also know, or they also feel that you have genuine emotions towards them and you genuinely wants to start something new with them in this relationship. They feel that you are definitely going to propose to them. Okay, you are definitely going to commit to them. Okay, maybe you are going to say to them that they are the love of your life. Okay, maybe you are going to tell them that they are the one with whom they would like to um, spend their rest of their life. Okay, something like that. And with this Three of Cups, I'm seeing some celebration is happening for both of you in coming time. Okay, some celebration is happening. Maybe you have proposed to your person. Okay, and maybe some engagement ceremony is happening for both of you. Maybe some celebration is happening for both of you. Okay, maybe she or he, or I mean maybe they have said yes to your proposal. I mean, sorry, Aquarius, Aries, your person feels that once you are definitely going to offer them this Ace of Cups, some celebration is going to take place. Okay, some meetings, some get together is about to happen. So I feel that they are dreaming about your and their, some engagement thing or something like that. So they are dreaming about it. So that's how your partner's energy is towards you. Now let's see what are your energies towards your partner. Okay. Aries, you feel with this Ten of Pentacles that your person has everything in life in terms of emotion, in terms of material things, in terms of money things, in terms of family, in terms of kids, in terms of home, in terms of everything. They are blessed. They have everything in life, but still um, you see them as someone who is sad deep down in their heart. Okay. And plus with this High Priestess card, you feel that they are hiding something from you. Okay, maybe it is their past bad relationship experiences. Okay, something has happened with them in past, now they are just regretting about it. Okay, these are nothing but their regrets. Okay, so they are being very silent towards their past. Okay, maybe they are not telling you the truth about their secretive nature. Okay, maybe they don't want you to know that what had happened with them in past. Okay, so they are being very silent, even though they show their happy face to you, but still deep down in their heart they are really fearful, they are really sad, they are really depressed. They are just seeing their regrets, what they have done in past or whatever had happened with them in past. Maybe someone has, you know, just cheated on them. So now when you are offering this two cups to them, they are being very silent towards it. Okay, so that's how you see them, Aries. And with this High Priestess, you have certain doubts on them. Okay, you feel that they are not being completely open in front of you, they are not confronting their emotions towards you, they are not opening their heart in front of you, they are hiding something. Okay. Okay, so the mutual energy is Emperor, another Aries. I feel, Aries, this is your person who is behaving like a king, who is behaving like an emperor. That I am not going to show my face, I am not going to reveal who I am, I am not going to show my real emotions, or I am not going to confront my emotion towards you. They, I mean, yes, they are being very silent. They have love for you, they adore you, they love you, they like you, they respect you, but still they are choosing to behave like an emperor. They want you to dance on their tune. They want to lead this relationship on their own terms. They want this relationship, uh, I mean, they want you, but I think it is just because of their past bad relationship experiences. Now they want some uh, some guarantee. Okay, now they want some assurance that this time I'm not going to make any mistake, this time everything is going as per my own wish, or everything has to be uh, or should be there as per my own wish. Okay, so they want to lead this relationship. They have emotions for you, but they are not showing it to you. And the future potential of this relationship is Nine of Pentacles. I feel that again it's your person who is showing you the energy of an independent person. Okay, they are going to show you that, see, I'm the one who doesn't need any other person in my life. Okay, I can make myself happy, I can make my own, I can, I can live life on my own terms, or I have to, or I want to live my life on my own terms. I'm independent. Okay, I don't want any other person, I don't want any other person to be the reason of my happiness. Even though they are independent, even though they have everything in life, but still they are really sad. They are not happy, they are independent, they are not happy. Okay. Okay, so that was the reading for Aries. Okay, so Aries people, if any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.